Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku channel yami nesahleli nesalokazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So today sizokhuluma ngeNdlondlo Yamanzi. I know a lot of you probably know him by now, but some of you do not know him, right? If you don't know him, please do make sure that you go on TikTok and you search for him, right? Now, Indlondlo Yamanzi has been someone who's been posting like going to the waters, different types of waters like Iziba, Impopoma, rivers, and not just any waters, like waters that most people would say again, wala. And I loved the content. But I think abantu kanebam discover, and now he's growing, like he's growing. So there's a challenge ANC where kuthiwa Indlondlo Yamanzi challenge. People, okay, abanye badlala kamnandi, they would get evaskomini umuntu abambe imshangele ethu ayenze I challenge. Abanye bayenza I challenge by literally going ezibeni nasomalwandle, and unfortunately balale ngoqolo laba abasebahambile khona abantu abahambile trying to make the challenge bangazi ukuthi amanzi it's not into yokudlala. People kunento zokudlala, kunento ekungadlalwa ngazo, into zabantu abadala akudlalwa ngazo, ziyahlonishwa, right? And you are always told ukuthi mawuye emanzini awungeni nanoma kanjani, amanzi ayahlonishwa. You know, I remember the first time I was taught amanzi, I was ngiphupha bangifundisa amanzi, first time bangifundisa amanzi ngangiphupha, and sigcoke iphika with the people that I'm working with. Then babafika badive, you know, people abaswimayo badivele emanzini. Then ngizwe ivoice ethi angenwa kanje emanzini bazolimala. Le voice yathi awuthi ngibathuse. Then kwaba nento engathi ya jump emanzini. All of them, they jumped out thinking ukuthi umnumzane, but bathi umnumzane manje, umnumzane baphuma. Mangibhekisisa, it was not umnumzane, it was a small fish, like it was a goldfish. You know, yabo. And that was the first time, and obviously like people now bangivulela amanzi nan. But now what I'm trying to say is emanzini awungeni nanoma injani. Amanzi, it's not your swimming pool eyasendlini that you can just uyogcoka swimming costume ungene. Kuyacelwa kunomnikazi wamanzi, kunabantu bamanzi bahlonishwa. Awungena emzini womuntu ngendelelo. You respect, you show respect, you humble yourself, right? So now with the challenge, okay, siyandlula. Now I'm seeing a lot of traditional healers, not even abantu abakungasama traditional healers, sangomas, inyanga, abaprophets nani making videos bemceka bethi ayikho lento ayenzayo, makayekele ukushow off, ufuna ama following nani. And according to him, he did explain that I'm not doing this for clout. He has had radio people, newspapers approach him bafuna interview. Washo ukuthi I can't, because mangifika, yes, what I'm showing you on social media, it's a clip, but kujulile, and there's things ekuyimfihlo zasemanzini that I cannot disclose. So angifuna ukuzithola ngikhuluma izinto ezingafuna ukuthi ngikhulume. What he's doing is that he's just preserving the information because of amanzi ayasuch. Manje ufuna ukufundisa abantu ukuthi no, amanzi kuyangeneka, but you have to respect the waters. Vele ngeke ungene emanzini uthwele, ngeke ungene emanzini ungcolile. You have to first be clean, right? And of which it's true. If you can look back, abogogo bethu bashawa ngani? Abogogo bethu bashawa ngokuthi umuntu bekasebenzela emakhaya esigodlweni kuzwa ukuthi ulapha icancer, ulapha in. Then abelungu or people who studied, they would come and say, we're doing a research, can we interview you? Ugogo abantu asihlelele phansi phezu koqansi lwakhe ngaphandle, give them information to know we use herbs, this is how we do them, we take isihlahla esithize nesithize, we mix, we do whatever, we babhale mabaceda bayahamba bayoyisebenzisa leyo information and create medicine out of that. Mabaceda, they go gatekeep bakampele indawo whereby now we no longer able to access those forests because they know ukuthi they want those forests to belong to them because of kunento la ebayifunayo nabo ebayisebenzisayo, so we can't. And abantu abadala bethu, they would not even write books, they would not. That's why African spirituality, it's not preserved, because we're depending on information that they come and give us ngamaphupho with visions, information from one person to the next. But akunancwadi ekuzothiwa zazibhalwa, you understand. Unfortunately, iBhayibheli likhona, there were people who were writing, that's why we have the Bible today. But ngesintu sethu, we don't have that. Alright, so he's doing it to say ngifuna nanoma ngibhala incwadi noma kuthiwa kuyangeneka ezibeni, then there has to be evidence, because abantu bazophikisa. Now traditional healers and some people are coming and bashing him and saying ayikho leyo nto, makayekele lento ayenzayo, angazibizi ngendlondlo yamanzi. Right? How can you say a person angazibizi ngendlondlo yamanzi? Imagine mina, let's say for instance, nginamakhosi yabo bese kuthiwe wena kahle kahle umakhosi. Obviously I'll say ngumakhosi bani bani, and I would say ngiyinkosi ngoba ngihamba namakhosi. So mangabe uyindlondlo, which is uyinkosi yamanzi, kusho ukuthi unikezwe igunya, igama anikezwe lona. You understand? So why do you discredit into umuntu ayinikwe idlozi lakhe? And traditional healers abakhulumayo, we've been seeing abantu abathakathayo, we've been seeing abantu abathwele. They are given clout, they are given airtime, but somebody who's doing something so clean, so pure, uyaqekwa. And the same people abamqekayo is the same people that mabaya emfuleni bazo emfuleni ofika la emadolweni, bazo emfuleni ofika la emadolweni, impophoma bazoya kumpophoma nyane ecala la bafake ikhanda. You understand? And it's so alarming ukuthi as spiritual people, we don't give each other credit where is due. Usho ukuthi hayi bafo uyasebenza, hayi uyasebenza lento oyenzayo, hayi yabo. Mina I for one, I don't want to lie, mina vele ngingane amanzi. And the way ngawasaba ngakhona amanzi, yabo, even mina, I can't swim. Like guys, I can't swim. I can't swim. You understand? So nabo mabangibonisa indlela indawo ethu sayo, ngiyabatshela ngithi hayi boni ikhumbuleni ukuthi mina ngiphile emhlabeni, ngiphile enyameni, mina I can't even swim. So ngiyanicela ithina ukuyehla kancane. Yabona? So somebody is doing it. I don't know, abanye bathi no, probably he went for swimming lessons in it. Even if he did, so what? You can go for swimming lessons, but as zibeni, let's talk isiziba. As zibeni, we all know ukuthi angeni nanoma ubani. Awungeni ungcolile ezibeni. So for the fact ukuthi uyangena ezibeni, it should say something. It should say something. And people but say uzofa lona uzofa. Guys, sonke siyofa. If he dies, amen, indima yakhe uyidlalile emhlabeni, what he was sent to do uyenzile, because at the end of the day sonke size emhlabeni with different types of purposes. Umuntu ngeke umdiscredite ngamandla akhe, umuntu ngeke umdiscredite ngesiphiwo aphiwe yidlozi lakhe. Yabo. So I'm wondering ukuthi, okay, if people have so much opinions, why bangangeni nabo sibabona? Why bangangeni? If uzothi no into yenzayo anybody can do it, hamba uyongena, hamba uyezibeni wena ungene, bese mawuceda ubuye uzositshela le. And ungangeni iziba nje, ungene iziba serious, iziba ekwaziwa khona ukuthi la akungenwa, kunomnikazi kwamanzi, akudlalelwa, it's a no-go area le. So, but anyways, if ningakamlandeli, you can just follow him on TikTok. It's Indlondlo Yamanzi. He's clean. Brothers is clean. Is clean. Isangoma masibe sihle. Umelaphi mageme muhle. A spiritual person mabekabe muhle. Kugezwe. Sibe bahle. ukunqola kufuneki.